Checking your account balance on Obwaldner Kantonalbank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial information. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the Obwaldner Kantonalbank website and click on the online banking login section. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, look for the Account Overview or Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Click on it to view all your accounts. Step 3. Select the desired account. In the Account Overview section, you will see a list of your accounts. Click on the specific account for which you want to check the balance. Step 4. View account balance. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out securely. Once you have checked your balance, make sure to log out of your online banking session. This helps protect your account information from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance at Obwaldner Kantonalbank. Regularly monitoring your balance can help you manage your finances effectively.